Hello friends, I am Natasha. Welcome back to Upgrading Way. In today's video we are talking about CA internship Viva examination. The Chartered Accountant CA internship is a crucial stepping stone towards a fulfilling career in accounting. To secure a position and impress potential employers, you'll likely face a Viva oral examination after the interview stage. Let's start the interview conversation. Good morning, sir. I am Natasha.
Good morning, Natasha. Please come and have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Can we start the interview?
Yeah, sure, sir.
What is the role of a chartered accountant in a company?
A chartered accountant plays a crucial role in financial management, auditing, taxation, and advisory services for businesses. They ensure compliance with financial regulations, provide strategic financial advice, and contribute to decision making processes.
Why are you interested in pursuing a career as a chartered accountant?
I'm fascinated by the intricate world of finance and the role CS play in ensuring financial health. I find the combination of analytical thinking, problem solving, and ethical responsibility inherent to this profession incredibly appealing. This internship has further solidified my desire to contribute to this field.
Explain the importance of financial statements in accounting.
Financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, provide a snapshot of a company's financial health. They are essential for stakeholders, including investors, creditors, and management, to assess the company's performance, liquidity, and solvency.
What are some qualities you possess that make you a good fit for this firm?
I'm a highly motivated individual with strong analytical and organizational skills. I'm also a quick learner and a team player, eager to contribute to a dynamic environment like yours. During my internship, I actively sought opportunities to learn from experienced professionals and consistently delivered high quality work.
What are the different types of audits?
Audits can be categorized into various types, including financial audits, internal audits, external audits, tax audits, and compliance audits. Each type serves a specific purpose, such as ensuring accuracy in financial reporting, evaluating internal controls, or verifying compliance with laws and regulations.
How do you calculate depreciation?
Depreciation is calculated using various methods such as straight line depreciation, declining balance method, or units of production method. The chosen method depends on factors like the asset's useful life and expected pattern of usage. For example, straight line depreciation divides the asset's cost by its useful life to determine the annual depreciation expense.
What are the differences between financial accounting and management accounting?
Financial accounting focuses on preparing financial statements for external stakeholders, such as investors and regulators, to assess a company's financial performance. In contrast, management accounting involves providing internal stakeholders, such as management and decision makers, with financial information and analysis to support strategic planning, budgeting, and decision making.
Explain the concept of accrual accounting.
Accrual accounting recognizes revenue and expenses when they are earned or incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. This method provides a more accurate depiction of a company's financial position and performance by matching revenues with the expenses incurred to generate them, thereby reflecting the economic reality of transactions.
What is the purpose of an audit trail?
An audit trail is a chronological record of transactions that allows for the traceability and verification of financial information. It provides transparency and accountability by documenting the sequence of events, from the initiation of a transaction to its final outcome, ensuring the integrity and reliability of financial data.
How do you handle discrepancies in financial records during an audit?
When encountering discrepancies in financial records during an audit, it's essential to investigate the root cause of the discrepancies, reconcile the differences, and document any adjustments made. Communication with relevant stakeholders, such as management or clients, is also crucial to address concerns and ensure the accuracy of the financial information presented.
Explain the concept of materiality in auditing.
Materiality in auditing refers to the significance or importance of an item, transaction, or error in the financial statements. Auditors consider materiality when planning and conducting audits, focusing their efforts on areas that could have a material impact on the user's decision-making process. Materiality thresholds are typically determined based on factors such as the size and nature of the entity.
How do you stay updated with accounting standards and regulations?
Staying updated with accounting standards and regulations is essential for a chartered accountant. I regularly engage in professional development activities, such as attending seminars, workshops, and webinars offered by professional accounting bodies like the Institute of Chartered Accountants. Additionally, I actively follow industry publications, regulatory updates, and participate in continuing education programs to ensure compliance and proficiency in my field.